Hi guys, today we'll be looking at splitting contents in one cell in a Google Sheet. This is our data and we want to split names into first names and last name over to two cells. First name, last name. So we'll be using the split formula. Comma, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, close bracket, and there the names are across two cells. We drag it down, and there you have it, splitting contents in one cell over to two cells in Google Sheets.